You ever heard someone say, "Oh, I'm not good with numbers," or "I hate math"? Let me tell you something. They might not realize it, but they're just intimidated by the right tool. Because once you show them what's possible, their eyes open up. They see that math doesn't have to be hard. It can be engaging, interactive, even beautiful. And that tool is none other than Microsoft Excel. Yeah, the unassuming spreadsheet software that comes bundled with Microsoft Office. It might look boring from the outside, but inside it's got more power than you think. In fact, buried deep inside your computer is a superpower you never knew you had. The truth is, Excel is much more than a simple spreadsheet. It's a programming language disguised as one. You can use it to create complex calculations, automate repetitive tasks, and even build interactive dashboards and mini apps. Now you don't need to be a financial analyst or a data scientist to appreciate this. Even everyday people can benefit from learning Excel. For example, let's say you're a project manager at a tech company. You're juggling multiple projects, each with its own set of tasks, deadlines, and budgets. Learning Excel can help you create interactive dashboards to visualize your progress, allocate resources efficiently, and identify potential bottlenecks before they become problems. Or let's say you're a small business owner. You're trying to grow your customer base, but you're struggling to keep track of your leads and sales. You can use Excel to build a CRM system that helps you manage your contacts, track interactions, and close more deals. Now imagine if you could do all this without writing a single line of code. It's like having a personal assistant, except it has an AI assistant that works 24/7 and makes no mistakes. No, I'm not exaggerating. That's exactly what you can do with Excel, and here's the best part. It's already installed on most computers. You don't need to buy expensive software or hire a developer. You just need to learn how to use it. And the good news is you don't need to be a math wizard either. All you need is a little patience and practice. In fact, I've personally taught Excel to people who were complete beginners, and within a few weeks, they were creating their own dashboards and reports. It's that easy. So the next time someone tells you they don't like math or they're not good with numbers, just smile and say, "Oh, you just haven't discovered the right tool yet." Because trust me, once they learn how to use Excel, they'll be saying the exact same thing. So what are you waiting for? Go download Excel right now and start learning. Who knows? You might just unlock a hidden superpower in the process.